Moving on to another sort of key topic area of the summit, understandably, supply chains are going to be a hot topic. It's going to be a well-attended discussion area of the summit, and particularly around visibility and collaboration. And I suppose the obvious question to kick off with there is, when supply chain disruption does hit, and we've seen a myriad of examples of that happening across manufacturing in recent years. But when that disruption does hit, why does that supply chain visibility and collaboration often disappear?
Yeah, so in my experience, supply chain visibility doesn't disappear when disruption hits. It's or because the data disappears. It's when we lose the trust, more with when we lose trust of the process, when we lose process discipline and alignment between each of the functions. We have more disruption when we're under pressure. We tend, and coming from experience, especially with supply chain, we move into more of a firefighter mode. This allows more local workarounds to emerge. So we move away from core model, from standard processes. We lose optimization of the digital processes, and from this we kind of lose confidence in the data, because the data that we're collecting isn't true to the process that we should be following. We're negating to a different way of working. What we try to do is push adoption of our core processes and systems, especially with supply chain. And what we try and push is focusing on exception management, so that teams aren't overwhelmed and can quickly identify what the issues are and take action in real time.
I see. And perhaps alluding to Alstrom's experience with this, how can organizations best go about building that trust, data infrastructure, collaboration that's needed to make supply chain visibility actionable, particularly when under pressure?
So what we've done is, when we have this type of issues, is building trust through empowering our employees to make decisions through data collected, which it's imperative that we strive to work to core model and standard. This has allowed us to incorporate AI into our processes and help make the right decisions at the right time. This can only come though when we have good, strong master data. So front end, the pillar for all of our processes, whether it be manufacturing, supply chain, industrial, it's the master data which sits behind it. If we have this right, it allows us to have good process adherence, and it allows people to trust the data that they're using is right. So for each of our main tools, we have a single point of truth in which the master data derives from, and it's functionally there to allow collaboration between each of the métiers